In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to configure some of the general settings for each of the pages on your MegaEdit product. This includes options such as renaming each page instead of just having the basic page 1, page 2, that kind of thing, and allowing your users to change the background of the page from within the Form Builder main form itself. We're going to start off by clicking on the Custom tab, which is on the left-hand window in MegaEdit. The Custom tab is available when you have the Form Builder script enabled on a product. As we'll see in future tutorials, this is primarily used to control and configure individual fields on forms. However, we can also use it to control elements of each individual page in the MegaEdit product. So we start off on the Fields tab. You can see we don't have any fields on the form, so we don't have any options in here at the moment. I'm just going to go ahead and switch to the Page tab. And this gives me options for this particular page on the MegaEdit product. So we're going to start off by entering a page display name. So instead of the basic page 1, you can name each of the pages by filling out this field. This updated name will be shown in various locations, such as the page selector and within the form itself. So this example is going to be a basic business card. So I'll start off just by naming this logo site, for example. You can see that it's now been renamed in the actual MegaEdit window itself and within the form. I'm just going to repeat this process on the second page as well. So the next thing I'm going to do, again on the Pages tab, is to allow the user to change the background of this particular page. We can do this by activating the Background Select option. It's worth noting that we do have the ability to include layouts on here as well. So if you want to create or you've already created applicable layouts that fit on this page, you can also utilize those and allow users to select between them. So sticking with background now, you'll see that once we have that activated, we have an additional drop down that allows us to pick and choose individual background categories if we only want to make certain ones available in the actual form itself. So I'll activate that particular background category. So as we change options in the Form Builder Custom tab here, you'll notice that the fields tag appear and disappear. And these are at the bottom of the screen here. These inform the script of the settings that you have applied. You can add field tags manually if you wish to do so. We do intend to make a list of available field tags available in the near future. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure we actually save this as a product template default. So we want to make sure that the changes we've made actually are retained if we navigate away from the page. In MegaEdit, we do this by going to Menu and then Save as Product Default. All right. So on this page, we activated the background options. And as soon as we did that, you may have noticed on the right-hand side on the main form that we now have the ability to change the background. Clicking on this will allow you to select between available entries that are within the selected background categories or layout categories if you've applied them, which have been applied to the actual form. So for example, if I select change background and choose either an image or a color that I've defined, we'll see that's now applied. And as a reminder, this is how our end users, our customers, are eventually going to interact with our product.